much light right there, Dan.
I'm saying, you get up there, it might just go ahead and crack. Really?
Seriously.
Ethan's not.
I need more people.
I'm just saying. It just makes sense.
That I'm fat?
That somebody as svelte as you might be able to help out with the tree breaking.
Dan, here's a good spot right there.
Dan, come on, get up on that tree up there. I'm sure it will break.
Oh, now you're the fatty.
That's what
How you like that?
Film or be a fatty?
Eddie, go up there and push down.
Go, get on that tree.
What
Why am I
you
doing
looking
this
at?
one?
Start by Kaler.
I'll do
Hey,
it.
use your natural talent, Dan.
Almost there.
Hold on, Mr. Lick is getting up there. I think it's going to happen.
Stand back, Riley.
Got it, Mr. Lick. Go. No, didn't work.
Just split, I'm pretty sure. Push. You guys push. You guys push toward me.
Push it.